Dear my followers, welcome to my new adventure. It's an honor to have you here. Let me today show you one of the most beautiful hidden gems in Bosnia. Not far from Breza, in the village of Podšpilja, there is a starting point right next to the old mosque. Park your car on the side of the roads, then follow the brown sign for Podšpilja directly to the waterfall. Follow the stone path until you turn to the forest road. From this sign, next to the big meadow, you are at the waterfall in about 5 minutes. The waterfall is beautiful, surrounded by finely carved rocks and a large cave. Now enjoy the amazing view and sounds of waterfall and nature. If you want more information, contact me privately. If you like this content, support my work and follow me. Thank you, and see you soon.